Guess the bus should be here soon.
What? Dipper, don't give up. You always have a plan.
No, the journal always has the plan. Think about it, Mabel. Gideon was right. The only courageous or cool things I've ever done have been because of that journal. Without it, I can't help you, or Stan, or anyone.
I've lost you going into that breach hundreds of times. I finally found a way for you to live, for us to be together, and you don't want me.
I'm sorry.
Don't be.
That's it? You finally want to see me after 10 years, and it's to tell me to get as far away from you as possible? Trying to save us and nothing. Couldn't save my friends. Couldn't even save myself. I wish I'd appreciated our time together more.
I don't know where you are, and frankly, I don't really care.
That hurts, but it's fair.
Before I get to what I'm calling you for, you should know that Fox is dead.